Ozzy Osbourne, the former lead singer of the famous British rock band Black Sabbath, has been awarded the UK Icon Award by Rolling Stone magazine. Osbourne, who could not attend the ceremony in London due to illness, received the award from his wife Sharon Osbourne. Ozzy Osbourne has shared his feelings about living longer than his friends, including Lemmy, Kilmister and Pete Way. In a series of revelations, Ozzy Osbourne, who stated that he had the opportunity to think a lot about his life recently, said, "I realized that all my friends who were drinking were dying. I should have died before most of them." Ozzy Osbourne then concluded, "I should have died before most of them. Why am I the last survivor? Sometimes I look in the mirror and say, why did you do that? I should have died 1,000 times. God knows how many times I've had my stomach washed." He continued, "It almost crippled me." Ozzy Osbourne, who was diagnosed with Parkinson's in 2003, had metal rods placed on his back due to an ATV accident he had in the same year. Speaking about the most troublesome period in his life, Osbourne said, "The second surgery went largely wrong and left me almost crippled. I thought I was going to stand up after the second and third surgery, but in the last one they stuck a stick in my spine." Ozzy Osbourne said, adding that a tumor was later found in that area and he was reoperated. He never lost his joy. According to Independent Turkish, Sharon Osbourne said her husband survived a series of difficult surgeries but never lost his joy.